How to fix Klarna? We couldn't verify your details. In order for you to fix this issue, start by heading over to your App Store. Once you're in the home page of App Store, in the search bar, search for Klarna. Move into this app. You have to make sure that you are using the updated version of the app. If not, tap on Update and update your app. Once you've got the updated version, the next thing you want to do is head over to the settings of a device. Move into General, scroll all the way down, and then head over to VPN and Device Management. Over here, you have to make sure that you aren't connected to any of the VPN on your device. In case if you are connected, then simply disable it. Once done, the next thing you want to do is go back and move into iPhone storage. Search for the application Klarna, then move into it. Now click on Offload App. Once again click on Offload App. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This might also fix the issue that you have been facing in the app. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.